Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make test move in Premiere Pro. So if you want to create a moving test animation, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is launch the Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. After that, press the T key on the keyboard to add a new test layer to your timeline. Then use the text properties panel to adjust the font, the size, the color, and the position of your text. Once you do that, use the next properties panel to adjust the color, the size, the position of your text. And after that, enable the motion effect. Go to the settings, go to the effect panel and search for transform. Drag the transform effect onto your text layer and move the playhead to the point where you want the test animation to start. Then click on the stopwatch icon next to the position property in the transform effect to create a keyframe. Then move the playhead to the point where you want the test animations to end and adjust the position of your test in Premiere Pro, and Premiere Pro will automatically create another keyframe for you. And after that, you have to rewind your animation. So for you to be able to do that, you have to adjust the keyframe to rewind the motion part and timing of your test animation. Then you can also add more keyframe for smoother animation. And after that, play back your timeline to preview the test animation and make necessary adjustments. And after that, once you are satisfied with the animation, export your video using the export settings that best suit for your project. And that's how you can add or make a test move in Premiere Pro. Find this video